Hey there, hello and welcome back to this amazing announcement video. This video is not an ordinary video, this video is not a regular video, but this video is for all those students, all those repeaters who could not clear your examination this attempt. Now you want to clear your examination but you are lost. You need a guide. You need a person to guide you through this tough terrain. And here we are. CS Exam Squad is here to help you out for your December 2025 attempt. What do you have in your hand? You have less time. What do you need? A good preparation. 100% preparation in less time. So how are we going to achieve that? CS Exam Squad is introducing a very fast track batch for December 2025 session. You'll be amazed to see the features of this batch and the fees of this batch. This is a tribute to all the students who could not clear your examination this attempt, but are willing to give your 100% and clear your examination this December 2025. Now, this batch is going to be a 3-month batch, and the facilities that we are going to cover are: number one, formulation of passing strategy for each and individual students as per their goal and weakness. हर स्टूडेंट अलग होता है, हर स्टूडेंट का गोल एंड दिक्कत जो है वो अलग होता है. किसी स्टूडेंट किसी सब्जेक्ट में अच्छे होते हैं एंड कोई स्टूडेंट किसी सब्जेक्ट में खराब होते हैं. तो वी आर गोइंग टू फॉर्मुलेट a strategy, a passing strategy for each individual who register for this fast track batch. Number two, accordingly we will set a daily target for each student. According to your advantages and disadvantages, we are going to give you daily targets. Here in the target series, we will monitor that you complete your entire syllabus before time. Now, from where do you do that? We are going to provide you with fast track video lectures for December 2025. Next, fast track notes for all the students. Notes which will help you clear your examination. Free access to premium test series. Now, this is something which you cannot miss. We are going to provide you with our premium Pariksha test series free of cost for students who are registering for the fast track batch. It is not just about giving lectures and then mentorship. It is also about having a strategy where we will clear the examination. So we are going to suggest you some questions as you go on with your study, which questions are going to be very crucial for your December 2025 examination. So the most important question suggestions is also coming in this batch. Doubt solving 24/7. It is what every student needs, and we are delivering that. Now, this fast track batch is starting from 12th of September this month. Now, the fees for the batch will be only 1,999 for single group and 1,499 for single paper. We will make you the one that you have always dreamed of, and we will be pushing you to your extreme limits to make sure that you crack your examination without any fail. Registration link for this fast track batch is in the description. For any information, you can contact us at 9330019097. Peace out. Waiting for all of you to join this super in-charged, super energetic and supercharged batch, the fast track batch, December 2025. Thank you everyone. Happy learning. Bye bye and take care.